Hello learners, here is solution for question number 7 from time and work. Given Harish is 3 times as efficient as Tarak. So the ratio of their efficiency, that is Harish to Tarak, is 3:1. Then ratio of their times taken will be 1:3, because we all know efficiency inversely proportional to days time taken. And we are also given that Harish takes 8 days less than what Tarak takes to complete the task. Now, the ratio of the times taken by them is 1:3, and they differ by 2 parts, and the 2 parts is given as 8 days. Then each part become 4 days. Then as Harish occupying one part in the ratio, so he takes 4 days to complete the task, and Tarak takes 12 days to complete the task. Now we came to know how many days each of them take to complete the task, and now we are asked to find how many days they take if they work together on alternate days, 1 day each. Now let's say if Harish works on first day, Tarak works on second day, then Harish works on third day, Tarak works on fourth day, and so on. So since this cycle is repeating for every 2 days, let us calculate the work done by them in first 2 days. First day Harish 1/4, second day Tarak 1/12. So work done by them together is LCM 12, 3 plus 1, 4/12, which is 1/3. As they are finishing 1/3 work for every 2 days, and 3 1/3s make 1, so they take 6 days to complete the task. That is option D. Thank you.